In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner tail light. That's the one that goes on the trunk lid, so let's get started. With your trunk open, you may or may not have a piece of carpet covering this. Mine doesn't. If you do, you'll have to peel it off or take it off completely. And right here, you'll see a plastic cover. Let's take a trim tool and pop that off. I recommend a plastic trim tool so that you don't damage the paint here. Scratch it up and then it'll rust. And underneath it, you'll find the electrical connector for the light. And if you look straight from underneath, you'll see two 10mm nuts. Let's remove both of them. Now with those two nuts off, you can see that plastic push clip there kind of has two little ears to it. And what you have to do is basically squeeze those in, and that'll release the rest of the taillight. As you can see on the new one, there's one at the bottom, one up top. Okay, there's one. So what I did is I grabbed a pick, pushed one side in, grabbed the other one, pulled it as I was prying up on this. There's one left. Okay, there you have it. There's the taillight, and these are what we were fighting. As you can see, you have to kind of pinch them, and that's how they release. Out of your original taillight, twist the bulb counterclockwise, pull it out, inspect it. This is a good time to replace it, and then put it into the new assembly. Once it slides in, turn it clockwise to lock it in. Now on the outside, make sure that this surface is clean, free of debris. It doesn't have to look perfect. Just make sure there's no sand or anything. Take off this old gasket material here. You want the new gasket to seal up nicely. The new taillight has all the gaskets needed already on it. Slide it in, line it up, and once the studs are through, let's put back the two mounting nuts. As I tighten the second one, you'll notice that the taillight gets squished up against the trunk lid, and that's because the gasket is compressing. Just make them snug. Plug in the bulb. Put this lid back. Has two little tabs that slide in first, and then this side just slides in at the end. And there you have it. Now do the same to the other side if you need to.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.